Shrouded in mystery, the lost Starship rocket of SpaceX. In the vast ocean of cosmos, a SpaceX Starship rocket has disappeared post-separation from its Starship vehicle. The rocket was launched with grandeur, yet, after separation, it seemingly vanished into the infinite abyss of space. Hovering satellites and ground-based tracking systems lost all contact, effectively rendering the rocket a missing entity in the space-time continuum. This unforeseen event has left the scientific community puzzled, prompting a flurry of hypotheses and investigations into the rocket's sudden disappearance. While some propose technical malfunctions, others argue it may have ventured into uncharted territories beyond our current understanding. Despite the baffling loss, SpaceX remains undeterred. Plans for subsequent Starship missions are already under development, showcasing their unwavering dedication. This is not an end, but a new beginning, a chance to delve deeper into the unknown and broaden the horizons of space exploration.